Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing the easy color modifiers so you can see the real problem. Open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display and turn off Night Light. This removes the warm tint applied by software. Next, check HDR and color profiles. Turn HDR off temporarily to test color neutrality. While you're there, inspect the monitor cable and connectors for yellowing or loose pins. A bad cable can mimic software tint. Once done, create a system restore point so you can safely revert. Now you'll calibrate so white balance matches expected values. Run Windows color calibration, type DCCW, and follow instructions to set gamma, brightness/contrast, and white point. This corrects software-driven tints. Make sure to select a standard profile like sRGB or Rec. 709 in Color Management, profiles set how colors are translated. If colors remain off, open Device Manager. Update or reinstall your GPU driver. Drivers can finish by removing any custom profiles and returning to system default so behavior is predictable. In Color Management, choose your monitor, remove custom ICCs, then set the default to sRGB IEC 61966-2. 1. This often fixes residual yellowing. If the tint persists, test with a second monitor or swap the display cable to isolate a hardware issue. And if a recent driver caused the tint, roll back the GPU driver in Device Manager. Drivers are a common culprit, and rollback often restores correct color balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.